Continuous improvement is the hallmark of AWS. They have been continuously making changes and improvement to the VPC console and VPC experience. Quite recently, they have announced a new feature in AWS VPC, which is AWS VPC Resource Map. AWS VPC Resource Map is a new feature that simplifies the VPC creation experience in the AWS Management Console. This feature displays your existing VPC resources and their routing visually on a single page, allowing you to quickly understand the architectural layout of the VPC. As you can see on my screen, you have to go to the VPC service and then click on the resource map after selecting your VPC. Once you do that, you will be presented with a pictorial and graphical representation of your VPC layout. This pictorial feature makes life so much easier in terms of managing VPCs after they are created. Earlier, this diagram was available from last year during creation of VPC, but it wasn't available afterwards when the VPC was created. Now finally it's available and you don't have to click through various screens and keep track of VPC subnet IDs to figure out whether a resource is in place or not. With VPC Resource Map, you can quickly understand the architectural layout of the VPC, including the number of subnets, which subnets are associated with the public route table, and which route tables have routes to the NAT gateway. You can also get to the specific resource details by clicking on the resource. This eliminates the need for you to map out resource relationships mentally and hold the information in your head while working with your VPC, making the process much more efficient and less prone to mistakes. AWS VPC Resource Map is now available in all AWS regions, where Amazon VPC is available, and you can start using it today. And I would highly suggest that you do that. Lastly, just as a disclaimer, I took this diagram from an AWS blog post by Shanahan, who is a principal developer advocate for AWS. The link to his post is in the description. I hope that this short description about this new resource was worth your time. If you have any comments or feedback, please put them in the comments. Thank you.